How to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create Bitmoji on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And with that, you simply have to make sure to log in using your credential. And here, once logged in, and here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, as you can see, I have already created the Bitmoji, but if you don't have one yet, then you simply have to tap on Create One Bitmoji option, and Snapchat will redirect you to the Bitmoji app if installed and prompt you to download it. And there you simply have to select the avatar style, and with that you simply have to tap on next, and after that you simply have to customize your Bitmoji face shape and features, hair colors and styles, outfit and accessories. So here take your time to make it look like you. And here once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on the save button. And after that, your Bitmoji will be linked to your Snapchat account and will appear in chats, snaps, stickers, and your profile too. And that's it. That's how you can create Bitmoji on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.